everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Ooh, I'm so excited to show you this one. So this home is called the Attica. It's a 16 by 16 by 60 home. This is going to our friends Anthony up in West Branch, Michigan. And when I jumped in here to do a video, I saw so many cute things. So here we go, a lot of things we haven't seen before. Let's see, first thing that pops out. What pops out to you guys? This beautiful picture window. So we did an Aspire package too, which would put the Colonial Cove over the window. This is an 82 by 60 picture window, and both of these will open in from the side. So you've got a screen here and a screen here. And what a beautiful way to bring some light into the living room. I'm standing back here in the hallway that goes to bedroom 2. By the way, this customer did this in a 2-bedroom version and I love it. Kept it nice and bright in here. We've got Nordic white on the floor, white on the cabinets, drama marble on the countertop, and also the ceiling fans will be white as well. And I did see some brushed nickel doorknobs. I don't know, I'll find out if we're back to those, but so everything is nice and bright in here. We do have the black appliances. So what's great about the Attica is it's a wide open floor plan. Everything is wide open. You do have space here if you wanted to do an island, but most people when they purchase this floor plan always keep in mind that they're gonna put a kitchen table. So that is usually the norm here. Dishwasher, microwave, electric appliances, laminate backsplash here. I just can't get over that window. So cute. Anyways, heading back towards the back door, towards the primary bedroom area. This customer has added a washer and dryer. We predominantly use Whirlpool. Every once in a while, you're gonna see a Frigidaire appliance stuck in there, but not very often, mostly Whirlpool. Washer dryer cabinets, that's a good thing to add. And here's the primary bedroom. And I love when customers do this. They do a transom window where their bed is gonna be so that they can let lots of natural light in there. This customer must love the natural light because when we go into the primary bath, stuck with the tub shower combination, but we did a little transom window up there. 8 by 30 on the transom window, laminate backsplash here, and 3 bulb light strip up there. That's a standard feature. Now, heading back to the other end of the room or home. Let me just stop. Whew, cute. We are going to see the second bedroom, and they did another little transom window in here. Check that out. Huh. I like a lot of light. I love it. And then second bath is here. So here you have it, 16 by 60 Attica, another champion home. This one was designed by Xavier, so he did a great job here. This home is gonna retail somewhere in the 60s, so give us a call. Let's design yours and get you a new home. Thanks for watching.